What's going on, guys? I want to talk about what helped me most with learning crooked grinds on ledges and how to learn them the fastest way. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing you got to do is find a ledge that'll work for you. This is probably my favorite ledge to hit in the park. It's got a tad bit of wax on it right now, but it'll work just fine. If you're a little intimidated by the height of a ledge, you can always bump it down a little bit. That just means you're gonna have less time for adjustment when you pop into it. Now, when you're rolling into the crooked grind, you're gonna want your board to be pretty much parallel with the ledge so that you're not coming in too much at an angle. Because if you come in too much of an angle, when you hit the ledge with your board's gonna go over onto the ledge and slide out. The reason why you come in parallel is so that when you pop, you're able to guide the nose into the ledge so you can get your body weight on it and really pinch that grind. What you want to do is when you pop your board, you're going to want to take your front foot and guide your nose into that ledge. And when you do that, you really want your wheel to land right about here. So the pinch will keep your wheel on the ledge just like this while your board is sliding. So you'll stay just like this and won't slide out. Here's a helpful exercise just to get used to popping into the ledge. As you can see here, how I pop and the wheel just pinches right into the ledge. You also want to keep your body weight as straight over the nose as possible, almost like you're standing up on top of the ledge. Once you get that down, you can start with popping in while moving and just trying to slide on the ledge just to get used to how it feels. The next part is the hard part, and honestly the part that I struggle with most with this trick. You want to make sure that your body weight is over top of your nose so that you can actually get off. If you're leaning too far to the side, your board is just gonna slide off in like primo. But if you're on top of your board, it's gonna slide straight so that when you get to the end, you can push down your tail just a little bit and then push down your nose a little bit to just get you that momentum to pop off and move your shoulders and your feet to go straight off the ledge. I'll show you a few examples of a slowed down crooked grind that I did the other day and how I got off in that way. All right, so come up, pop, use my nose, land on the ball of my foot while I'm standing straight over the board. Just get that pinch right in that wheel, go down a little bit, pop up off my nose, slide my front foot forward, and I just land straight out. And that's how you crooked grind.